So historically, I get asked a lot what happens during election years when it pertains to assets like cars, watches, etc. And the thing that comes to mind is usually this isn't about your political preference, but rather how markets react to political polls. If Republicans are in the lead generally, stock market tends to do well because there is a money-making opportunities. Free markets get excited about that. People get excited about how less regulation will typically make companies better in the long term, so they take positions on that. When they see something occur where Democrats are going to lead the way, they get a little bit bearish and afraid, and they pull back and park their money into assets. So historically, assets will always increase more under Democrats, and stock markets will always increase more around like Republicans. But there's also this whole ideology that this isn't always just a black and white model, because tax situations typically under Republicans also push people around purchasing in free markets, meaning like Section 179 and things like that have come up in the past, like some of these programs to buy homes without income verification and things like that came under Republican leadership a lot. And for that reason, they pushed people to purchase things, right? And they pushed people, like pushed markets up in the housing and cars, etc., in these ways because they gave either better tax deductions or ability for people to buy homes. So it's not like saying Republicans don't enforce, like push assets up, or Democrats only push, like stock market down. But there has always been a direct correlation that there is more focus on making money when Republicans are in office, and there is more focus on protecting money when Democrats are in office. And usually assets are wealth preservation more than they are wealth creation to most people. Not saying they can't be, but the majority of people look at it that way.